Hey guys, cook dinner with me. These are the recipe. That's the recipe for the collard greens. I have the beef, the pepper, onions, tomato paste, the seasonings, the cube, the Vita cube, which is the seasoned cubes, and the oil. So yes, now I'm cutting the meat, and then after I cut the meat, I'm going to wash the greens. Um, I'm going to wash the greens and blend it in the blender. Now I'm going to slap the pepper with the onions. That's how it came out, the pepper and the onion. Now I'm going to wash the meat. And everything is prepared. I have the tomato paste, the meat, the cube, the seasonings, the pepper and the onions. Now with the oil. Now I'm seasoning the meat. And I'm gonna put it in the pot. And add some water. And let it boil for some time. Now while the meat is on, I'm gonna put the rice on in the rice cooker. I wash the rice and let it down in the rice cooker. Now I'm gonna put the oil in the pot and let the oil to get hot. And then the tomato paste, I'm adding the tomato paste in the oil just so it can limit the sourness of the tomato paste, just to change the oil color. Just want to change the oil color. And I'm going to add the collard greens in the oil with the tomato paste and stir it. You see the collard greens suck all the oil and it's going to come out. And I'm going to cover it for it to dawn for some time. Then I'm going to add the onions and the peppers and let it fry for some time. And I stir it and cover it up. And I come up again and add the meat, the water that is on the meat. That's what I'm going to cook the potato, the collard greens. Now add the meat and add the seasoning, which is the cube, and stir it. Yeah, and let it dawn. There you go. After some minutes, it's ready. Yeah. And I'm going to get the rice. That's how it came out. Get the rice. The rice is done. And I'm going to dish the rice out. That's mine. I'm going to get into that. Now I'm going to get the rice out and put the rice in a big bowl that anyone who wants to eat, they can cut some food out and eat. I'm going to take some, dish out the greens and store it in the fridge. That's my food. There the food. Everything is ready. Dinner is ready. Anyone who wants to eat, they can just cut some food out and eat. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.